zoo, so I was like, screw it, I'll just get my steps in at the zoo instead. So.
Oh, they met at the zoo.
I was like,
Connor came over to the zoo and was in my habitat.
I gave Connor a call. I was like, dude, just come to the zoo real quick. But no, he walked the property. Because we're gonna get some contractors to help me like finish up stuff, because it's like I just want to get kind of my life back, and it's been a lot. And then a challenge I overcame was just not being able to sleep yesterday. Like the day went so well. I was on my routine. I was like, I'm gonna go to bed at 9:30. I did not fall asleep till like 1 or 2.
Holy crap.
Yeah, so that kind of ruined it. And then I'm grateful for guided meditations on YouTube. I was doing one while you guys were in the sales call, and I usually do them every morning, but it just makes me feel really good.
Mm-hmm.
And then what would make today great is getting a deal, and then affirmation is I'm abundant.
Dang.